We'll get a better one to hold back, I'm sure. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're at Marble Arch. Quote unquote, Building L, unit, where unit 2507, 2503 is. We met with Jason first thing. We went ahead and jet the 6-inch clean out on the main run. Runs through the building. Twice. 2 good times with the big jet head. The owner of 2503 came out, started talking with us, kind of gave us a scenario of what happens when the main line backs up. It really affects his unit. So we're running a camera survey now. You'll probably get a better visual because we are going from the low side in. The water's coming actually at me. So when we pull back, we'll get a better visual on it. Again, it is old cast iron. I have a 6-inch main here at the clean out, but I'm sure it's reducing. I mean, here we go again with the condition of the cast iron. She's rough. As I told the gentleman in 2503, any type of rough product, wipies, feminine hygiene, excessive toilet paper, will hang up in this pipe. This is one of the ones that we come out on maybe a 3-month basis to unstop. And again, these units were built in the 60s. These buildings have definitely settled in. We're going to have some slight bellies. See, there was an example of one. We were under, came out. This is 4-inch here, but we reduced to the 4-inch back here. As you can see, the water is holding a little bit above my camera. I'm well past 2507. All right, here we go to a pretty much bone dry spot. All right, we're going to bring the camera back. And again, like I've been telling everybody here, these lines are just really rough inside. We've got a lot of rough spots. Pulling the camera back now as we speak. As we jet this morning too, we hit a little spot where we kind of had to crank it up because we definitely had some paper product. And again, slight bellies. You see how she holds water a little bit above her camera. We're not noticing any breaks. The cast iron, I'm sure, is getting thin. She's rough though. I can feel it pulling it back on the camera. Actually, it's just like bouncing, like it's bouncing on concrete. Another little slight belly. Come out. I mean, again, there's no breaks. There's no. It's just rough pipe. And you know, the key thing you guys have to understand is you've got to make sure your toilets flush good. You're getting a full flush off your toilets. That's very important on old cast iron lines. You got to make sure your product is being moved. There's a combination. And see, there's where we reduced from the 4 to the 6. Some rough stuff there on the sides. I mean, joints are all in good shape. Just, you know, several different factors you have to figure in. Toilet's all flushing good. Good full flushes. Another slight belly here. And then we're out. Okay. Like I said, as far as anything, recommendations, number one, put this along with a few others on a quarterly basis. Make sure all toilets are flushing efficiently, properly, giving a good full flush. We'll be turning this USB in.